Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car.
On the 25th of April in Australia and New Zealand, we commemorate the sacrifice of those who have died in service of our country. One tradition is the baking of ANZAC Biscuits, and today we're going to learn how to make them. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Here's a list you can screenshot for later. First thing you want to do is sift 1 1/4 cups of flour into a bowl. After you've done this, add a cup of rolled oats and half a cup of sugar. Then add half a cup of desiccated coconut. Now mix it all together. Now you want to cut 150 grams of unsalted butter. Now put this in a saucepan and add 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. Now in a separate cup, mix together half a teaspoon of bicarb soda and 1 1/2 tablespoons of water. Now put your stove onto a low heat and melt the butter with the golden syrup. You want to keep stirring until it looks like this. Now turn off the heat and add the bicarb soda mixture we just made. It'll foam up like crazy, so don't be surprised. Now add this into the mixing bowl we did earlier. Now stir it all together till it looks something like this. Now wash your hands and roll the mixture up into tablespoon-sized balls. I'm using Somerville Metalworks oven trays, and you can usually fit about 6 biscuits to a tray. Now whack them into a preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure to squish the balls down a bit before you put them in the oven, and change the trays from top to bottom about halfway through so that it cooks evenly. When they're golden, place them on a wire rack to cool. I'm using one of the wire racks that lives inside the oven. Now admire your biscuit creations as they cool down on the dash.
And there you have it, ANZAC Biscuits, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram @BakedInMyCar.